Yeah. Good morning. I'm audible now. Is it audible,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's proceed. I think yesterday we are doing at the end of that last problem. So because of time shortage, we couldn't solve. So let's continue with that. So let me share the screen. Just a second. Share screen visible.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we are dealing with problems based on your RAM function, right? So we are about to solve the last problem. So let's continue with that problem what we left out. Let me open the paint. Yeah, paint is clear, guys. So can anyone tell me what was the question? So x of t,
Y of t, sir.
y of t was given. Y of t equals r of
T plus 3
t plus 3 advanced. Okay. Then
minus
minus
2 of
amplitude 2 times of
t plus 2
plus 2
minus 2r
2r
of t minus 2
minus 2 and last
plus
one plus
r of t minus 3.
r of t minus 3. Okay. So this was the problem what we stuck. I think everyone got how to plot it with respect to only t plus 3 or t minus 3. So the problem arises when you have 2 times of, right? So let's try to analyze individual signal first, how to plot 2 times. So there is a slight change between your normal t plus 2 to 2 times of t plus 2. So we'll analyze that first, then we'll go ahead. So let me teach you that first. Let me take. Okay, let's go with the 2 category. Yeah, so a normal R of t means, look at everyone clearly here. So how the amplitude to be considered. So if you understand that, so then the previous problem what we are lagged yesterday, it will be covered. So understand clearly. So we know that the RAM function starts from 0. Correct? So it go like this, right? So what is the amplitude supposed to consider? So if it is 1 with respect to your time, so corresponding duration is equal to corresponding amplitude. If it is 1, 1. If it is 2 here, then corresponding amplitude is 2. If it is 3, corresponding amplitude is 3. So this is how, so you can make the point for your reference. Okay, let me change the color. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. So this is how exactly your ramp signal works with respect to your amplitude. Is this first point clear to everyone? Shall I move on? Everyone, is it okay? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the thing we want? So assume that I want this. So 2 times of r t plus 2 is what I want. Okay. So first let's try to plot r of t plus 2. So r of t plus 2. R of t plus 2. So what is the meaning of t plus 2? You need to do time shifting, right? So time shifting with respect to which category? Advance or delay?
So first R of t plus 3, no, sir?
No, I am teaching you how this 2 times of r of t plus 2 will work. If you understand that, see, because yesterday we stuck how to take the amplitude, right? So if you understand how to take the amplitude, then remaining part remains same only, not an issue. Okay. I am not doing this problem. I am teaching you this category. Is it okay to everyone? So what is t plus 2, guys? So I want to give advance by 2. So it means this RAM function will shift towards negative side by 2-bit interval. Correct? So it means it is like 0 minus 2. So it will start from here, minus 2. So it starts from here. It goes like this. It goes like this. Kata. So now how to take the amplitude I taught you. So if it is minus 2, it is at 0 only. If it is minus 1, amplitude is 1. If it is 0, amplitude is 2. If it is 1, amplitude is 3. If it is 2, amplitude is 4. So is it how we have to consider? Is it fine till here? Everyone, is it okay till here? Shall I proceed? See, if you understand this individual function, then you can solve. Only amplitude part is what you got confused yesterday. So if that is clear, then remaining part you can do yourself, not an issue. Shall I move on? So everyone got how we did r of t plus 2? Is this part is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's move on. How to plot 2 times of this. So the thing is simple. Whatever r of t plus 2 you have, that is your signal, original signal. So for that, I am multiplying the amplitude 2 is a logic. Okay, so let's come to the procedure. So minus 2, minus 1. So yesterday, I think we have ended the graph like this. So let me trace the thing what we did yesterday. So I think we have started from here and we ended like this. Is it so? Is it so, guys? Yes or no? I'm audible. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got what I told yesterday. So actually we stopped at this 2, correct now? Because by seeing this amplitude 2, we thought that signal will stop here. Agree? See, if you respond, I can continue. Yeah. So now this is not a scenario actually. It is not. See, by seeing this amplitude 3 or 4 or 2, we're not supposed to stop at that level. See, ramp function means it is continuous. Then what is a change you can make from this graph to this graph? We'll try to understand. Okay. So look at now. So here, let me mark the amplitude for your reference 3, 4, so on. So now what is the thing you want to make? Analyze it. So at minus 2, we already have a 0 amplitude. If you multiply 0 with respect to this amplitude 2, so it is like 0 into 2 remains 0 only. Kata. So that's why I am going to stick on to this point itself. For 0, this point minus 2 multiplying 0 amplitude remains 0 only. So let me make the points dots, then we can join the things easily. Then look at here. For minus 1, what was the amplitude you having here? What is the amplitude you have for minus 1? Is it 1? So now we should do 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2 why? Because it is given the question. So it means at minus 1 the amplitude goes to 2. So this is the difference what we have to understand. So for minus 1 the amplitude goes to 2. Earlier it was 2, 1, right? Now it goes to 2. Next, for 0 amplitude was 2, right? For 0 time interval amplitude was 2. It's not like 0 multiply. So at 0th level. So what is the amplitude you have here? 2. So now I should multiply 2 into 2. That becomes 4. So what was earlier category? It was 2. Now for 0 it will go to 4. I hope you got the logic now. So you're not supposed to stop the interval by 2 like what we did yesterday. So just rectify that mistake. So just correct it. So 0, earlier it was 2. So now original signal is having multiply by 2, it becomes 4. So can you tell me what is happening for 1 now? What is the amplitude you have for 1 here?
At 1 it was 3, sir. So then if you
so
multiply by 2, it will go 6.
Good. So for 1, I should take a 6 amplitude. It will come somewhere here. So then it will be continuous. It is not going to end. It will be continuous. So if we join this graph, so this is how it looks. I hope you got the logic behind your amplitude scaling to everyone. So this is how the signal look like. It will be continuous. It is not going to stop anywhere. Only changes with respect to my amplitude. So this amplitude is not same like this amplitude. So is it okay now to everyone? I hope you got the logic now how to plot amplitude. Everyone, is it okay, guys? Yeah. So now can we go ahead with this problem and we can solve it now? I hope now you can continue. So you got the idea how to do. So this is the only thing you should remember. So like this you have to do for twice. So one for t plus 2 already done. Similarly you have to do it for t minus 2. So that too you keep it in a constant way like this. So this is how your waveform will work. So now let's try to analyze for the problem. Any doubts anyone before I am going for next that problem? Is it okay to everyone? You got the scenario how the difference will be between r of t plus 2 and 2 times r of t plus 2. Is it okay? If you understand that, then here you can solve the problem easily. Everyone, is it okay, guys? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's plot r of t. We'll go one by one. So r of t, I hope everyone remember the amplitude now. So how to write the amplitude? So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. You take some samples for your reference. Okay. So this is with respect to time t. So this is my r of t. So first category is over. So next what is the thing is there? It is r of t plus 3. So r of t plus 3 means we should give a delay with respect to the negative side, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, na? So it means the signal will go like this. See, for minus 3, amplitude is 0. Then from, if you want, you just make a point like this, what I'm making, then it will be easy for you. So for minus 2, it is 1. For minus 1, it is 2. For 0, it is 3. So is it okay to everyone? How we are tracing? 3, 2, 1, 0. So this you can join now. So this you can join. See, it will be continuous like this. So you just show like this. That is enough. So this is your r of t plus 3. Any doubts anyone till here? Any doubts anyone till here? Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
now
sir.
what I want? Good. So we want r of t plus 2. So which I already plotted. So I have showed you how to get r of 2 times of also. So this is a signal, right? So for this I need to do negation. So negation means how the signal will come. I'll just try to trace that. So it will go downwards, right? So since we are doing everything addition, so I told you to make a folding, time folding. So minus 2 times of r of t plus 2. So written small there. Okay. So it was like this, right? So it was starting from minus 2 alpha. So let me write above because the graph will come downward. Minus 2, minus 1, 0 is here, right? So let me change the color for your reference. So minus 2 is this. Then for minus 1, you will get amplitude of 1. Okay, now. So then for minus 2. So I think for minus 1, what was amplitude? Was it 2? Yeah, I think it's 2. For minus 1, 2 and wrong.
Yes, sir, because 2 are no, sir. 0, 2, 4, 6.
Yeah, so for minus 1, I should mark at this point. Okay, na? So this is for minus 2. So similarly for 0, it goes to minus 3 napa. So similarly for minus 3, it comes here. So like this, it will be continuing. Okay, so it means the graph look like this. So it go like this. So a little bit bigger. So this is to make you understand. So it is minus 2 times of r. Is it okay to everyone till here? So let's try to analyze this side. Fine. So this is your second category. So similarly, can we plot third category? So again, I want minus means it will come downward only. So let's give some space. Yeah. So let's try to plot t minus 2. So assume that t minus 2, I'll write roughly here. So t minus 2 means it will come for delay second bit. So the signal will go from here. So 2, then continuous. Okay, na? So it means for 2 0, for 3 1, for 4 2, for 5 3, so on. Correct, appa? So if you do
Sir,
2 times of this, Yelappa.
Sir, in minus 2 r of t plus 2, will
Okay.
the third 0 ಗೆ 4 ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ sir? Because 1 ಗೆ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಗೆ 4 ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ sir?
One ನಿಮಿಷ. Amplitude ಏನಿತ್ತು first? So what was amplitude here? For 0 it was 2 alva.
For 0 it's 0. First.
This one I'm talking. Correct na? See, minus 2 0 irutte, minus 1 1, then 0 2 tane.
Oh, 0 2 sir. Then 2 into 2 it will go to 4 na sir.
Yeah, I will tell for 3 na. Okay. Yeah, correct. So it will go to 4. Let me change this. So it means it is taking for all even samples, not for odd samples. So this is minus 4. Okay, na? So for 0 it is 4. Again for 1 it is 3 into 2. It will go to 6. So likewise it will be keep continuing. So I will return the continuous waveform. Okay, na pa? So now we are tracing t minus 2. So I took delay about 2 interval. So it goes like this: 2 0, for 3 1, 4 2, then 5 3, so on. So now I want 2 times for this. So now you should tell me how the graph look like. Yeah, 0 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, so the signal is at 2. So in here over 2 it is 0 only, so I will make the point at 0 itself. Fine. So for 3 it is going to be at 1 2 na. Okay, you multiply madbekalva. Yeah, so here 3 ge 1 ide, so 1 into corresponding amplitude. So now I am plotting 2 times off. So since it is 2 times, so at 2 is 0. Okay, at 3 1 into 2, it means it goes to 2. So this is your 2. So at 3 it will come here. What does happen for 4 now? For 4 it's 2 into 2. So it becomes 4. So for 4, can I consider the graph 4? So this is the only thing you should remember. That's it. So remaining you can do it same way. So this is how it looks. It will go continuous like this. So this is your 2r of t minus 2. I hope everyone got till here. So one thing you got clear from yesterday to today's class is the ramp function is not going to end. It will be continuous. Only the amplitude will be differ from multiplying this amplitude scaling. Is that okay, guys? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
So it means for this category, the signal look like this. So let me take 2 here. So 3. So if you do negation, I mean if you do folding of this, so if you do minus for this, the signal comes downwards. So it means it goes like this, downwards. Okay, now is it correct? So
Yes,
here for your reference, you can make a note. For 2 it is 0, for 3 it is 2, means it become minus 2. Then for 4 it is 4, it becomes minus 4. So till here is it okay? So let me trace other graph. So is it okay to everyone? So last category is we need to have t minus 3. T minus 3. So try to write this below only. So there is no space. So t minus 3, how will you plot here? So you have to keep delay. Okay. This is how your t minus 3 ramp function. So t minus 3 means from delay 3. So from here it will go like this. Side up, huh? Is it okay till here? So this is your t minus 3 graph. So any doubts anyone to plot individually now? So now I think you can get me the answer how the final waveform look like. Okay. So what is the maximum interval you will take? So you can look at the graph. First one, I should add this, I should add this, I should add this, and I should add this. So all four signals we are supposed to add. You can look at here, interval is -3 and here it is +3. So it means you can start from -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. So this is what your y of t output will be. Now tell me output addition. So we should start at -3 first. So at -3 you can see signal is increasing with amplitude of 1. So here nothing is there, nothing. So it means, so let me make the amplitude here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So similarly we'll trace minus also. If needed we'll take this. Yeah. So at -3 how the signal look like, guys? So at -3 it goes to 1. Sarina go. Is it fine to everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now -3 to -2 is same, remains okay. So now come look at here. So this is having a signal constant increasing from -2. So at -2 you have something else here. So this is having amplitude of how much? Amplitude of 0, right? At -2 what is the amplitude? 0. At -2 what is the amplitude? It's 1. So what I'm doing, I'm adding 1 plus 0, it becomes what?
1.
So it means what? So till -2 the signal remains there only with amplitude 1.
Yes.
Artha,
Yes, sir.
others, is it fine? Okay. So now let's move on from -2 to -1. So -2 to -1. So I will try to write the things aside. See, if you write a signal separately, it will be easier for you. Okay. Yeah. So look at here, -2 to -1, it is increasing. So what is the amplitude for -1? So for -2 it is 1, for -1 it is 2. So it is increasing with amplitude of 2. Sarinappa, this I should add with this signal. So what is the thing happening here? -2 to -1, it is decreasing. It is decreasing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the amplitude? Is it
0,
-2?
Should come.
Yes, sir. +2 and -2.
So it
Just
means it is going to
constant.
get cancelled.
Constant.
So it means what? So -2 to -1, the signal remains in the same position. Artha go. Okay, so now let's move on. So from -1 to 0. So -1 to 0, let me change the color. So again signal is increasing. So -1 to 0. But what is the amplitude, guys? Is it 3? So I hope now I got everyone got a clear picture.
Yes, sir.
So -1 to 3. Okay. Then what about downwards? So -1 to 0. It is having amplitude of Estapa.
4, sir.
4. -4. Not 4. It is -4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So one is increasing, one is decreasing. Then what is the outcome? So 3 minus 1 is -1. So since signal is having highest priority towards the negative side, I mean dipping part. So I should consider this signal from -1 to 0. Where it will go now?
Till -1.
-1, sir.
So it means, shall I dip the graph like this to -1? Artha, go.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any doubts, anyone till here? If you have, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll proceed. Yeah.
Sir, from -2 to -1, the amplitude will decrease now, sir.
It will come to zero. sir. Not
-2 ಇಂದ -1 ತನಕ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್?
-2 to one side. -2 to -1 appa.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
You're having this one?
-1 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Let's see. Check out here. So -2 to -1 means from here to here. This junction. Sign appa. Amplitude ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ತಾನೆ?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. 2.
Then here -2 to -1 amplitude is having minus 2.
-2.
So it means it is at 0. It means you are telling that the signal will go like this.
Yes, sir. It should come
sir.
down negative ramp.
Yes, yes, correct. So it should go to 0 alva. Yeah. So signal comes to 0. So amplitude both will get cancelled, means it has to be at staying at 0th level. Yeah, good, correct. Yeah. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now we were tracing this one, right? So I think we got 3 minus 4, it is -1. So it means from -1 to 0, it will go to amplitude called -1. Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any doubts, anyone till this one off? Is it okay? Shall we proceed with the at 0 now? So check out
Yes,
at 0. So at 0, what is the amplitude, guys? It is at having signal at 0 lay. At 0, do you have any signal?
No, sir.
No. So if the graph was like this, assume that it was like this, then you can consider the amplitude and you can do addition or subtraction. Since nothing is there, so at 0 it retains its same position. Now check out 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, this graph is increasing only. Surendra?
Yes, sir.
So what is the amplitude, guys? 0 to 1?
-2, sir.
For first one, yeah. This one. Now we'll go one by one. We will trace only for this much part. So I think is it 4?
6, sir.
6? No, first one,
Minus-
t plus 3.
4, sir.
4, correct? No, for 0 it is 3, means for 1 it is 4. I'm tracing for t plus 3. Okay, is it okay now? Shall I proceed?
Yes,
So
sir.
next look at this graph 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, what is the amplitude? For 0 you have 4. It means for 1 it will go to
6, sir.
6. It means -6 upon.
Yes, sir.
So answer is -2. -2. So now you should tell me where it will go. So 0 to 1, the graph will keep dipping downwards till -2. Sarina?
Yes, sir.
So it will come like this. So I hope you understood the logic now, how to trace the things. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is your 0 to 1. Okay, next at 1 ಏನರಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? At 1 there is no signal, right? No. So next 1 to 2 ಹೇಳ್ರು. Check out for 1 to 2 and tell me. So let me trace individually first. So 1 to 2, what is the amplitude for this level? This graph. 5?
Yes, sir.
So no, let me plot individually first. So I'm adding this with this signal. So this will go downwards. So what is the ramp function? 1 to 2 here. Is it 8?
Yes, sir.
For this
Yes,
two,
sir.
amplitude will be
Yes,
8.
sir.
Ilappa. So 8. So it means it's -8. So answer will be -3. Answer will be -3. So it means 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is in the junction. So let me mark the point here. Then we can extend the graph. So is it okay to everyone? See, the ramp
Yes,
is
sir.
coming decrease from this level. So next, at to 2, anything is there? At to 2, it's there, right? At
Yes,
to
sir.
2. So at to 2, we have a signal with 0 amplitude. So that doesn't make any sense. So 0 amplitude. So what will ampere now? At to 2. Is it retaining at same position?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go. Shall we move on next 2 to 3? 2 to 3 check ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ
Yes,
ಹೇಳು.
sir.
So 2 to 3 here it is increasing. Yeah, so we'll go one by one. So 2 to 3 ಏನಪ್ಪ answer 6 ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ amplitude.
6, sir.
Okay, this I should add with, no, you're telling final answer. Let's go with one by one. So again 2 to 3 ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
-10.
-10. Okay, so this I should add with one more dip. So one more dip. How much is this? So 2 to 3, what is the amplitude? Is it 2 -2?
Yes, sir.
So there is no signings at this junction, so I can add only this 3. So it's 6 -10 -2. How much?
-6, sir.
Good. So -6. So it means 2 to 3, the graph will again go till -6. So here you can write the amplitude of -6. So you can extend that till there. Is it okay till 2 to 3 to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then at 3. At 3, you have a signal here. You have a signal here. That is at 0th position only. Correct? Huh? So what is the thing here? Nothing is there. So it means it is at same position now at 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
from now you check out. From now you check out what's the thing is going to happen. So what is the amplitude now? 3 to 4. You check out for 3 to 4.
-8.
So it means that the ramp signal is keep dipping. So no need to trace further. You just show it will be increasing. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is how the output comes for this y of t. Everyone agree with the things what we plotted? I hope yesterday's doubt is clear now.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
is it
sir.
fine? So only thing we should understand is how to plot this amplitude scaling. If it is 3 times of r of t or 4 times r, 2 times whatever they give, just stick on to the procedure what we just went through. You just need to do the amplitude scaling and the signal in your ramp will be continuous only. So only amplitude will help you to do this operation. So is it fine to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So at the
Okay.
point +2 and -2, if it gets cancelled, it will go to 0, no, sir. So we are
Yes,
not supposed
yes.
to plot a constant line.
Yes.
Okay.
If it is cancelling, it will go to 0. If it is not cancelling, it is keep increasing only, right? Towards negative part, it is increasing only. So no need to trace everything. You just show so on. That's enough. So this
Okay.
last graph, you dip it, and if you mention so on, it is enough. So you can represent like this. Okay, now? Is it okay, guys? Shall we move on next type of problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now we understood the individual delta function, a simple one. Then we went through with unit step function. Then you went through with ramp function. So now let's try to have a combination of unit step and ramp function, how to solve the problem. Okay. For the same problem, they have asked you also to find even and odd components of a signal. So I hope B section people understood the meaning of odd and even, because I asked you to check out the video to make analyze. Is it okay? So let's explain that while doing that category. Let me glance once. So write down the question, guys. So they are given x of t is equals to, so it's a mixture now. So I want you to analyze and do u of t minus r of t minus 1 plus 2r t minus 2 minus r of minus 3. So now observe the question carefully. So it is a combination of your ramp and unit step function. So it's a combination of ramp and unit step function. See, one more thing, in the previous unit step and ramp I did for your CT signal. So same way I want to repeat for DT signal also. So consider samples like what signal we took and keep adding. So I hope digital will be easier than your analog, means your CT. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to solve this. Let me see what you will analyze. So go with individual functions now. So try to plot separately. So here you have again 2 times. So this concept just now we finished. So try to analyze that. So 2 times of t minus 2. So this category. So first plot individually. So then let me see what is the answer you're going to get. So everyone written the question. I'll come back to your screen here. Question not more content raw.
Yes, sir.
So you have, yeah. So I will just come back. I'll stop sharing. So try to analyze and do. Don't do blindly. So if anybody have doubts regarding unit step or ramp function, you can ask. So by the time your friends have solved. So I think maybe tomorrow or by Thursday I will post your assignment 1 for complete module number 1. So you write group wise. In that question paper it will be group 1, I mean group 1, group 2 type. We'll try to make group 3 also if possible. If not, group 1 means first 26, yeah, 52 in the class, right? A section. So first 26 you write group 1, next 26 you write group 2. So similarly B section also. So if strength is 52, 26 group 1, 26 group 2. You keep writing because at the end it should not be a burden for you. So try to solve one problem for one topic. So maybe we'll get 6 to 7 questions in one group. Okay. So is it okay? So I may post your assignment 1 of signals by Thursday. So the question was, I think I didn't tell the question completely. So sketch the following signal, that is the signal what I gave. Sketch the following signal and also find even and odd components of a signal. Also find even and odd components of a signal. Also draw even and odd parts of x of t. I'll repeat the question. Sketch the following signal, that is your given x of t. Hence, or also find even and odd components of a signal. So here your formula of odd and even will play a major role. Then third category is also draw the even and odd signal x of t. So three things they have asked. It is for 10 marks. So even and odd concept, if you remember, we can go ahead. So before that, I want to have a waveform with me. That is what you want to get from this x of t. Anyone done? So first plot u of t, then r of t. From that r of t, you can plot t minus 1. If you want negation directly, you can show. Then you want t minus 2. For that, amplitude scaling by 2. Amplitude scaling by 2. Then t minus 3, so that you can fold it to make it as minus r of t minus 3. So if you want to add all this, add it. Then what is the answer? You tell me. If anyone have finished, you can turn on your camera. So any doubts, anyone, how to plot the amplitude scaling for in the ramp function? Anyone done here? Is it over? B section, guys. Nutan. Is it done, man? Your voice not audible, Nutan. So B section people, any doubts? If you have, you should ask here. So is this done? This problem? Lavanya?
Yes, sir.
Solve my type of problem? Huh?
Sir, last one, sir.
Okay, do it. Jayant, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can focus your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, it's visible. So you go with from where minus r of t minus 1. Okay. So u of t return minus. Okay, good. Next 2 times of r of t minus 2. So amplitude. So what is the maximum amplitude you got here? For 2 it is 0, 3 it is 1. Sorry, for 3 it is 2. Yeah. Okay, fine. Next minus r of t minus 3. So I hope, I think everyone has done the individual category clearly. Is it okay till there? Okay, let's come to final part now. The final signal, how it looks, x of t. Okay, good. So this is your last, a little bit downwards, Jayant. Yeah, yeah,
At 5
enough.
to 0. Sir.
Pardon?
At 5 it should come back to 0.
At 5 it is coming back to 0 now.
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
No, sir.
Just check out. I think everything will get cancelled. It will retain its position. It will be at 0 only. I mean, it is like what your friend has written only. It is constant. So I think after 3 it is going to be kept constant.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it so? So just check out how it will come to 0 here once more. Yeah, others, everyone got same answer? Okay, Jayant. Good. You can close it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So is it fine? Anybody who wants me to plot means let me plot. Or is it okay to everyone? I want answers from everyone. Is it okay? Or you want me to plot?
Okay, sir.
Okay, na. So shall we move on from now onwards? I mean, they have asked second thing. After knowing your x of t, you need to know what is odd and even. So this part I will teach because B section people were not there. So let me come back. So I hope everyone got the final answer. That is correct. Is it okay till there? So is it visible here? Paint is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me write the answer what you got. Then we'll go with odd and even components. So what was the maximum? I think there is no negative side, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So 0 to 1, the signal is constant. So this is because of your unit step function. This one, the first one. So 0 to 1 it retains. Then I think from 1 to 2 it is going to dip. Again 2 to 3 it is going to increase. then complete graph is going to be constant. Is it how it looks? So this is your x of t. So is it okay to everyone? Shall we move on from now onwards to next odd and even level? Or anybody wants this to be explained? Understood the logic how the ramp signal and unit step function mixture to get the output? Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move on. See, before going to plot, I think A section guys, you know already how to plot odd and even. You can continue. So I will explain for your B section's friends. So you remember the formula here. See, there is a two formula you're supposed to remember to sketch the odd and even. So if I say even, so you have two types of problem in this. One is normally they may ask any trigonometric function to get odd and even function, or the next level the marks will be more for sketching of waveform like this. So what is the formula you need to remember is it should be half of, so half of x of t plus x of minus t. So this is the formula you need to remember for even function, x of t plus x of minus t. So this is for your even function. So similarly you have odd function formula also. So odd function is equal to, everything remains same, only in place of plus I should replace minus. So it's half of, so you just need to have awareness about these two formula, that's all. So if you have these two formula in your mind, then sketching of odd and even will be easier. So because you already know how to do the addition and subtraction of signal. Okay, na? So x of minus t. So this two you should have a formula. So then ultimately you can see this, the advantage of this odd and even problem with you is you can verify yourself whether I have done right or wrong. So how? With the help of a formula, x of t is equals to even function plus odd function. So if you add both the function together, I should get back my x of t. So here only you can judge yourself whether you have done right or wrong. So easily you can get your 8 to 10 marks known to yourself in the exam. Okay. So this is the formula. So this formula is okay to everyone. So if you have this formula, then remaining part is same like how we did sketching. Basic section people, is it okay? The formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you look at this formula, you forget about this half of, that we'll do at the end. So we'll try to do this x of t plus x of minus t plus. So x of t is already written. So I hope everyone know how to get x of minus t. So what is x of minus t, guys? What is the meaning of that? X of minus t means what? Folding. Means it's like a reflection or a mirror image. So the signal which was this side, I mean towards positive side, the same thing will come towards negative side now. So is it how it looks? Everyone? So this is your x of minus t. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
having amplitude of 1. So 0. So this is minus 1 and this is minus 2 and minus 3, so on. So this is how your x of minus t. So what we did with respect to your time, we have done reflection. So time was t, here it is minus t. Okay, na? So now what we should do, we need to add these two to get the even component. I hope everyone remember the addition part. So I think there is not much complexity in this. So you can see here, I need to add this signal plus this signal. So anyhow it is like 0 plus this, so it retains its position. Similarly this is plus this, so it retains its position. So what is the outcome now? So it is addition of both signal together. Is it like this? Everyone okay with this?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay? Yeah, so this is your addition with respect to even function x of t plus half of x of minus t. But exactly what the formula says is 1 by 2 times half. So 1 by 2 means what? With respect to my amplitude, I should do divide by 2 logic. Correct? So it means the signal which was starting at 1 will come where, guys?
0.5, sir.
Good. So same diagram we can replica. So you can replicate the same diagram and you can show some little bit compression compared to the first one. Okay, so this is having amplitude of 0.1 in 0.5. Okay, so anyhow there is no variation with respect to my x-axis, that remains same. So this is my E1 function. Is it okay to everyone now? I hope you got the logic how to sketch E1 function. Everyone, is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So how we did addition, same way we can do subtraction, or you can do the logic what we did just now, means negation of this, time folding, then addition also same. So whichever you feel comfortable, go with that. So if you're good at subtraction, then x of t, you have x of minus t with you can subtract this and this. So what will happen for my graph if I do subtraction directly? So it is like this 0 minus of this. So it means it is -1. So amplitude will shift downwards now. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
So instead of doing addition, if I do subtraction, then also we can do same thing. So it's 0 amplitude with no signal, and here it is 1 amplitude. So it means 0 minus 1 is -1. So whatever the signal was starting, that will come towards negative part. So negative part means, is it like this? Let me write triangle first. So this part having amplitude of -1. Is it like this? Everyone, is it okay? What we did? I'm subtracting x of t with x of minus t. So since the amplitude is -1, so the signal how it was for +1, it comes to -1. Is it okay? The left hand side, is it okay to everyone? Is it okay, guys? Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
So just check out what is going to happen at 0 now. So at 0. So at 0, this is having 1. This is also having 1. So it means what? At 0, do you have any signal? Any
0.
signal is there? From here to here? Do you have any
No.
signal here? No, right? So it means it
No,
is
sir.
retaining its same position. Okay, now. So now I can do subtraction for this category. So this minus this, anyhow it says clearly there is nothing signal here. So amplitude of 1 minus 0 remains 1 only. So it means I can replica a same signal how it is there. So is it the subtraction of 2 signal? So then what we want half of it. So it means 0.5. So here minus 0.5 and here plus 0.5. Understood everyone? How to get odd and even? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I told you can verify using the formula odd function plus even function. So just add this even function plus odd function. Look at here. So anyhow this side, this positive side and this negative side will get cancelled. So left out is 0.5 plus 0.5, nothing but the original signal only. So this is how you need to analyze any odd and even signal. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then we'll stop here. See, if you have any doubts still here, you just make a mark, guys. So because you need to analyze the things clearly. So that completes your elementary part. So next class we will try to discuss multiplication of signal. So then we will go with your remaining 2 more classification, that is energy and power. So is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just one sec. Let me download attendance and you can leave. Yeah, you can leave, guys. You can go with the next class. See you in next class. Bye, everyone. Take care.